Yeah. So I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, and I welcome you all to my screen as well. Yeah, I'm Crypto Lord, and I'm here for a new thing. Yeah, a new thing. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe as well. And if you are watching me from TikTok, follow me for more. Yeah. So last week or last 2 weeks, I introduced you to a bot, and it seems most of the people don't know how the boat operates. And one thing is, if you buy the boat, you have to know that it's the boat that you will have. Like I said, the boat for $40, and that's how the boat looks like and operates in order to earn money doing arbitrage. Yeah, so this boat will help you make your first dollar in the arbitrage space. Yeah. So when you open the boats, like I think I've done a review of the boats in my previous video, so you know how you open the boats. First of all, if you open a boat, you have to log in. Log in first. But if you don't know how to log in, if you chat me, I will show you how to log in. And if you want to purchase the boat too, I have my WhatsApp details and Telegram details in the comment section. And I can see that people are using my image to fraud people. It's not me. I will not be the first person to chat you. I will not do that. I will not be the first person to chat to you about arbitrage or about sending me money and stuff like that. I will not do that. On Facebook, I have 14,000 followers. On YouTube, I have 9,000 plus followers. On TikTok, I have 6,000 plus followers. So if not this profile or these numbers I've discussed about, it's not me. And if the person chats you first, it's not me. I will not chat you first. No, I don't do that. I don't chat people first to patronize me. I don't do that. Yeah. So when you open the bot, first thing you have to do is what? You have to log in to the boats. And after logging into the boats, you go to your top right corner. You can see that we have tools, arbitrage, and stuff over there. Yeah, you have tools, arbitrage, exchange, and stuff. So if you go to the arbitrage, it will give you all the exchanges. Like I've done a review about it, but today I want to go deep so that those who buy the boats will know how it operates. Yeah, and you can know how it operates as well. Yeah. So if you go to the arbitrage, it will show you everything, and it will show you the coins with higher volumes that you cannot trade. Because it's the boats compare only the coins. You have to listen to this word. Before we come to this thing, let me show you something. The boats compare only the coins. So it compare only the coins from the other exchanges. So if let's say we are doing with PMP, it's go Binance, Bybit, XT, BitGet, Pronex, and stuff, and compare the coins. But one thing you have to know that doing arbitrage, we have some basic things that you have to consider before you start your journey. First of all, you have to know the coins different. That's first, and the second, you have to know that their address are the same. It comes with similar address. And third, you have to know your calculation and know that you are making profits. So this boat only focus on the coins and their differences. It doesn't focus on the address. It's what I think. So the address is your duty to do it. Because one thing about arbitrage that's very difficult is you finding the coins. Yeah. So in this case, the bot will find the coins for you, and you just go to the platform and check it. If the address is the same, bingo, you're good to go. And the bot also comes with many exchanges. we have more than 100 of exchanges that the boat counts with. You see that thing? Yeah. So people say that, oh, like, I did it and the address wasn't the same. If the address wasn't the same, you can also go to different exchanges and compare the coins. Maybe that place, the address will be the same. You see that thing? Yeah. So these boats will search for the coins, their price difference and stuff. Yeah. So if open it, it appears like something like this. So you see that we have, let's say, ADA, and they will tell you buy exchange. The buy exchange means that the place that you are buying the coin. So let's say buy bit, and it will also give you like the buy price. So ADA on Bybit will be like, let's say 0.1, and they'll tell you the sell exchange. So let's say Binance, and the sell price is a 0.3. You see, this is how it is. Yeah. So the bot will search for the coin for you, and where you have to buy the coin, and the price you have to buy the coin, and where you have to sell the coin, and the price you have to sell the coin. That's the job of the bot. That's what the bot does. You see that thing? Yeah. So the bots don't know that on Bybit and Binance the address are not the same. You see that thing? So it's your duty to find out that the address to transfer the money from Bybit to Binance are the same. And the address, people don't know the address. The address we have BB20, TRC20, ERC20, stack and stuff. You see that thing? Yeah. So you have to know that the address are the same before you can start the exchange. You see that thing? So the duty of the bot is to search for the coins for you to do your arbitrage. And this bot comes with more than 50 exchanges. Yeah. So it will help you do all these things, and like, you not waste your time. All you have to open it, go through it. At times you open it and you go through it, and let me show you one trick. If you're doing your exchanges, put two coins in your mind. So let's say you are find opportunity on Bybit and Binance, search for all the coins on Bybit and Binance and do the research instantly. You see that thing? Because at times you start and do it and the address will be different, but one will be the same, and you start doing your arbitrage. Yeah. So people don't know much about the bots. That's why I'm doing this video to show you how the bots looks like, or how the bots operate. The bots search for the coins and the price volume and everything for you to continue your journey. Yeah, for you to continue your journey. That's what the boat does, and these boats will help you make more money. It will help you make more money. Yeah. So it will help you search for the coins and also help you make more money as well. Yeah. So that's what the boat does. And to me, like, if you buy the boat, I will explain everything to you to know how the boat operates. I will explain everything to you. Yeah. So this what you have to know about the boat, and it can help you make more money through your arbitrage journey. I'm Crypto Lord and I'm out. Thank you for watching me.